As you begin your path at MIT World Peace University, you'll step outside the classroom and into the community, connecting theory with action and knowledge with service. It's our belief that education should build more than a career. It should build character. Here, students grow from the inside out through daily practices in yoga, wellness, and reflection. We nurture resilience, mindfulness, and peace of mind, essentials for any leader.
Education system, which I call it as a value-based universal education system. And this very education system, which has the component of science and spirituality in championing this cause of the well-being of the mankind. Development of the holistic, peace-loving society has to be the mission. Whether it is the field of science, all the universities, colleges and institutions world over, they must have an education system with appropriate component of science and spirituality.
From your very first year, you'll apply what you learn to solve real-world problems, creating meaningful social impact. This is how values are not just taught, but lived. Degree++ is where real-world learning begins. As you begin your path at MIT-WPU, you'll step outside the classroom and into the community, connecting theory with action and knowledge with service. Through SLDP, you'll meet visionaries who've changed lives and landscapes and learn what it means to lead with empathy, awareness, and purpose.
So this SLDP program, sir, it's a very unique program. We have many such other programs like Students' Parliament, National Women's Parliament, and many such other ideas. The Rural Immersion Program, we are taking all the students to the rural villages, sir. There is another program called Life Transformation Program also we have developed, sir. Very soon we are launching that program also. So through such ideas, our staff and all the academic leaders, we are trying that how and what way these students can channelize for the better future of India, and you become the problem solvers of tomorrow.
At RIDE, our flagship innovation conclave, you'll explore the future, turning ideas into innovations and classroom theories into real-world solutions. And with DLGP, you'll engage with India's decision-makers, learning how democracy works and how your voice can shape it. Collaboration is at our core. Our co-creation model empowers you to work with experts, tackling the problems that matter most to society. Whether it's in rural India, major cities, or global destinations, our immersion programs help you gain perspective, build resilience, and connect across cultures, preparing you for the world's stage. Beyond the classroom and even the campus, MIT-WPU takes learning to a deeper level at the Life Transformation Center. Nestled in nature, this dedicated retreat space helps students disconnect from distractions and reconnect with themselves, fostering reflection, values, and a deeper sense of purpose. Because true transformation begins within. At MIT-WPU, we don't just prepare you for a career, we prepare you for a meaningful life, rooted in values, driven by impact, and ready to lead the world mindfully. MIT World Peace University, a university for life transformation.